In this video, we'll walk through how to start a chemistry experiment in the Anubhav app. On the home menu, recent apps are displayed on the right side. Using the pointer, aim at the Anubhav app and press the trigger to open it. The app will take a few seconds to load. After the app opens, select the Next button. You will now see the Anubhav home screen. Point at the chemistry icon and press the trigger. Select any experiment you want to perform and click the Explore button. A new window will appear showing the aim of the experiment. An audio prompt will read the aim out loud automatically.
Aim to determine the melting point of ice and the boiling point of water.
Click Next to continue. The next window displays the materials used in the experiment. You can move each item by pressing and holding the trigger. Click Next to proceed. Click Next to proceed. Review the information before starting the experiment. Click Next to proceed. When you're ready to continue, press the A button on your right controller.
Start heating the beaker on a low flame. To start burner, go near the burner and press the A button. Note the temperature when the ice starts melting.
Now, select the Observe Temperature option.
Note the temperature when all the ice has converted into water.
Select Observe Temperature again.
Record your observations for this conversion of solid to liquid state. Keep a careful eye on the thermometer reading till most of the water has vaporized.
You will see the water begin to evaporate. Select Observe Temperature again to record the observation. Click Next to proceed.
Observation. Observe the melting point of ice and the boiling point of water.
To review your readings, open the observation window shown on the screen. Click Next to proceed.
Anubhav completed.